This implies theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angles. If theta 1 equal to theta 2, it means tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. This implies tan theta 1 is what? Slope of line L1, and tan theta 2 is slope of line L2. So if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So if it means L1 parallel to L2 implies M1 equal to M2. What does it mean? If line is parallel, then its slope is equal, and if slope is equal, then lines are parallel. What will happen when two lines are perpendicular? Say this is line L1 and this is line L2. This is line L1, this is line L2. Here L1 perpendicular to L2. L1 perpendicular to L2. It means this angle is 90 degree. And we draw a line, this dotted line, which is parallel to what? Which is parallel to x-axis. So say this line L1 makes angle theta 1 with x-axis, and this line L2 makes theta 2 with x-axis. Theta 1 is equal to what? Theta 1 is equal to, we can say, 90 degree plus theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to 90 degree plus theta 2. This implies tan theta 1 is equal to tan 90 degree plus theta 2. So this implies M1 is equal to minus cot theta 2 is equal to minus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1 by M2. This implies M1 is equal to minus 1 by M2. This implies M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. This will be the condition for two perpendicular lines. When two perpendicular lines L1, L2 are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Or you can say, when product of slopes is equal to minus 1, then that two lines are perpendicular. So in this way we can use the concept of slope of a line, decide whether line is parallel or perpendicular lines. Now we see another example. So that the line joining given 2 points 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1 is parallel to the line joining 7 minus 1 and 0 3, and second perpendicular to the line joining 4 5 and 0 minus 2. So what do we have to do here? First of all, find the slope of this line which passing through these 2 point 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1. So we just name these 2 points. Say this is P 2 minus 3 and Q minus 5 1. So slope of PQ is equal to what? Slope of PQ is y2 minus y1, means 1 minus plus plus 3 and minus 5 minus 2 means 1 plus 3 and minus 5 minus 2 means 4 by minus 7. Now we have to show that this line PQ is parallel to this line which passing through these 2.7 minus 1 and 0 3. Again name these 2 points. So say A is 7 minus 1 and B 0 3. So slope of AB is equal to 3 minus 1 means 3 plus 1 by 0 minus 7, so 4 by minus 7. So we see that here the slope of PQ is 4 by minus 7 and slope of AB is also 4 by minus 7. So slope of PQ equal to slope of AB equal to 4 by minus 4 by 7. So PQ parallel to AB. Now we have to show that the line passing through these 2.45 and 0 minus 2 is perpendicular to PQ. Again name it C 4 5 and D 0 minus 2. So slope of CD is equal to again y2 minus y1 means minus 2 minus 5 by 0 minus 4. So minus 7 by minus 4, it means 7 by 4. Now slope of PQ that we have already found, slope of PQ is equal to 4 by minus 7. Say this is M1 and this is M2. Now find M1 cross M2. So 7 by 4 into 4 by minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So product of the slope of CD and PQ is equal to minus 1. This implies CD perpendicular to PQ, as we have already discussed it. So in this way we can see the application of slope of a line to find whether a line is parallel or line is perpendicular. Now, how can you find angle between two lines? L1 and L2 are two lines which makes angle theta 1 and theta 2 with the x-axis. Say this is x. Because this, if this line L1 makes angle theta 1, then this angle is also theta 1, and this line makes angle theta 2, then this angle is also theta 2, because these two lines are parallel lines. So just suppose this is x-axis. We have to find the acute angle between these two lines, because when two lines intersect each other, then it will make acute angle and obtuse angle both, if that two lines are not perpendicular to each other. So we just find what is the acute angle theta between these two lines L1 and L2. So let angle with x-axis by the lines L1 and L2 are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. So slope of L1, that is M1, is equal to tan theta 1, and slope of L2, that is M2, is equal to tan theta 2. In the figure, we see theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. So tan theta is equal to tan theta 2 minus theta 1. By trigonometry, tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus tan theta 2 tan theta 1. So tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M2 into M1. Since the sine of this is plus, so this is acute angle. If sine of this is minus, so this is obtuse angle. So in this way we can find. So finally we can say the angle between any two lines when slopes is known is mod M2 minus M1 1 plus M1 M2. So when you open this mod, you will get plus minus sign. So this is plus minus M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2, plus is 4, plus means acute angle between L1 and L2, and minus means obtuse angle. Obtuse angle between L1 and L2. In this way we can find the angle between any two lines. Again we have problem, find the angle between the straight line whose slope are minus 7 by 3 and 5 by 2, means when slope is known. So tan theta given M1 equal to minus 7 by 3 and M2 equal to 5 by 2. So let theta be the angle between the lines. So tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2 mod. So mod 5 by 2 minus 7 by 3 by 1 plus 5 by 2 into minus 7 by 3. plus. This is 15 plus 14, 29 by 6, and this is 6 and minus 35, so 29 by 6, so minus 29 by 6, so minus 1, mod of minus 1, line will make, so situation is like this, these two lines are like this. So if you take plus 1, it means these two lines makes 45 degree, or if you take minus 1, then these two lines makes 135 degree. So by concept of the slope of line, we can also find exact angle between these two lines. Here another problem, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and the slope of the line is 1 by 2, find the slope of other line. So given here, theta is equal to pi by 4, and say m1 equal to 1 by 2. Then m2 equal to what? Question is like this. So we know the formula, tan theta is equal to pi by 4. So we take positive sign. So m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1. So tan pi by 4 is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m2 by 2, and tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So 2m2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 plus m2 by 2. This implies 2 plus m2 by 2 is equal to 2m2 minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So 2m2 minus m2 is equal to 2 plus 1. So m2 is equal to 3. So slope of second line is 3. Now equation of straight line. Before we start with straight line, equation of a straight line, we must have the idea about slope of a line. So we have already discussed slope of a line passing through 2 points and what is slope of a line. Now equation of line means, equation of line is an equation in xy which is satisfied by every point of the line. So this is a simple definition of equation of a straight line. Now the very basic equation of a line parallel to x-axis. So here we have coordinate system, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a line L which is parallel to x-axis. Then what will be the equation of this line? L. So equation of line parallel to x-axis means the locus of this point pxy, which satisfy the condition that the distance between this line with x-axis is always constant, that is b. So distance, if you take distance from here, you will get b, distance you will get b. So the distance between these two lines is always constant, and that constant is, say, b here. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is y equal to b, because its y coordinate is fixed, it never changes. Whatever is the value of y, we just take here value of y is b, it may be a, it may be 2, 3, 4, minus 2, etc. Means we can take example. So y is equal to 1, y is equal to, say, minus 2, y is equal to, say, 13 by 5. All these are equation of line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, we must have a line which is parallel to y-axis. So here situation, again x-axis, y-axis, and this line L is parallel to y-axis. So again this is locus of point pxy, which moves in such way that distance between this line with y-axis is always constant, that is, this is also a, this is also a. So this distance is always fixed. It means the value of this x is fixed here. So equation of L parallel to y-axis is x equal to a. This is a condition. So this condition will give the equation of line L. Means, for example, say x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to, say, 7, x is equal to, say, minus 1 by 2. All these are the example of equation of line parallel to y-axis. Again we have example, problem. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 3 and is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So here is situation. We have to find the equation of these two lines. These two lines, say this is L1 and say this is L2. So now first see equation of line L1. So when we see this line, equation of line L1, say this is x and this is line L1. So this point is what? The distance between x axis and this line L1 is what? 3. Since this line L1 is passing through, say, any point 2, 3 and parallel to x-axis, it means this, the value of y coordinate is always fixed, that is equal to 3. So here y equal to 3, this value never change for this line L1. So equation of L1 is y equal to 3. Similarly, if you take another line L2, say this is L2, and the distance between this x-axis and y-axis is again fixed, and this distance is, the coordinate of this P is 2, 3, so this is 2. So it means the value of the intercept made by this line L2 on x-axis is x equal to 2. So